Shall we start?
Yeah,
Okay. So how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Yeah, thank you.
How have you been learning this language? Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Nasir Ansari, and I do my own business. We do printing on different kind of items, the product which are used for gifting purpose. Suppose if you want to print your company's logo on T-shirt or medal or trophy, or
Okay.
there are many items like diaries, so we can do print on that. So like this, I do my work. And I live in Delhi. I have two kids, and I started my YouTube channel as well. It's been 4 months, and my channel name is English Hatke. So I
English
started
Hatke.
this channel.
Wow, it's a very
Yeah,
nice,
English Hatke.
very nice and unique
Actually,
logo, I think. English
yeah,
Hatke. So what is something new or Hatke in your channel? Tell me, please. It is interesting, right?
Hatke means you we can upload any kind of content related to the English. That's why I decided that name because
Oh,
there are many common names, and I was looking for something different. So it was just coming in my mind, and I decided to.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice
Okay.
and pretty good about you that you mentioned. As I love to introduce myself also, and as you know that my name is Monica, and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors, and I am working in a private school. KVS, and last year from from since last year I am working, and till present, and I am working on my communication skills as well. Last 6 months ago I started my channel in the month of October 2025, and till now I am enhancing, and with the grace of God, I am enhancing much, and I can see a lot of changes since I started my channel or communication to different YouTubers and persons, and this is a good experience for me also. That's pretty much about me.
Nice, nice, great. Okay, so you are teaching in KVS school, that is English medium, I think, right?
Yeah, central government schools.
Okay, central government school. So
Yes.
usually you talk in English with your students, or you talk in your native language?
This is the bilingual. The way of communication is bilingual, remains
Okay.
bilingual in my school. Yeah,
Mhm.
English to English is not essential and compulsory. If you are comfortable in English to English, the students can understand properly, so you can communicate with them. But in my school, bilingual things is going on, because principal recommended the teachers that if you are comfortable English to English, you can go through, and if you are not comfortable or students is not comfortable, so you are go through bilingual Hindi and English both. So
So,
both things we can do.
okay, because my kids, they are studying in English medium, and even they are not able to speak correctly. But I involved with them for it's been 3 years. So now they can speak good English because I do practice with them regularly. But otherwise, in school, they don't have that kind of environment. Sometimes, their teachers, they talk in English only. English teacher subject, she speaks only in English. Otherwise, the rest of other teacher, they speak in Hindi only.
Hindi
So,
only.
but
Okay, you lived
yeah,
in Delhi. Okay, so in Delhi, schools are so good and fine. CBSE schools are there, right?
yeah, they are studying in CBSE school.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling you, because you are teacher, and we should change the study process of our school, because we are paying, I'm paying high fees to provide good education, and because I had somewhere, because I did my schooling from Hindi medium, and I
I
struggle a lot
totally
to
resonate with your
English.
statement, sir. I
Mhm.
totally resonate and agree with you. But because now nowadays every school, whether it is CBSE, whether it is ICSE or high profile schools, they are not emphasizing on the communication skills of children, right? They are emphasizing only completing the syllabus. That's all.
That's why I'm telling
Yeah.
you, we should have at least that kind of subject. Like we have, games period, we have activity period. Why we must have at least weekly
Communication
one.
period is also there, now
Yeah,
mentioned.
definitely two, three, only 2, 3 periods in a week. That is quite enough, I think.
Yes,
Because
yes,
nowadays English is very important and communication skills is very important.
right.
If you have completed, after completing your educational qualification, what you will do? Some people, they go to the public sector, some goes, go to the private sector. If you are looking for private sector, your English must be good at the good level. Then only you can crack the interview. Otherwise, it's very impossible thing.
Right, right, right. Because this is a global word. Everybody wants to learn this language by hook or by crook, and become a fluent speaker also. But nowadays, academics, if we talk about schools or academic schools, they are not emphasizing this communication skills, because they are emphasizing only completing the syllabus, whole syllabus, full year syllabus. Uh, they have to be completed, because now this is the burden of them. That only syllabus focusing, syllabus completed center. They are not a child centric education provided in every school, whether it is CBSE or ICSE or MP board, any state board, I would say. But they are not emphasizing child centric education. They are emphasizing only teacher centric education is there, not child
But
centric education, I would say.
I'm not I'm not saying they have to create unnecessary pressure on the students. I am just saying they can start with the simple sentences. At least they should know how to speak or how to have the communication in English little bit. Being English medium student, I think they should have that kind of ability to speak in front of someone.
But
Because
actually, my
in
son is
only
also in UKG standard right now.
Mhm.
Now he has come first in standard in this year, but he speaks small sentences automatically, because his class teacher and his school environment is the providing some kind of stuff of English, right? And I am also English teacher, so I also getting pushing him every day. This, you make the sentence, you make the picture composition. I will just say, for example, I am giving a mango, any fruit. Tell me 5 sentences over this fruit. So this is the practice of because only parents are very anxious. Every parents are anxious to take this communication skills. How can we develop this skill in our child, in our children, right? So, but schools are not providing this kind of environment.
I
Although they
re-
have a good education, although they have a good infrastructure of schools,
Mhm.
CBSE or SCC, but English communication is less skills in the
Yeah.
schools. Yeah.
Because I raised many times when I attend the PTM meeting, I raised this question many times. But they all the time they do the promise with me, we will try, and still they don't. But you won't believe when it takes 15 minutes to my kid's school to my home. So when I take pick them from the school at the time of relieving, we usually we commute by the scooty. So when they sit on a scooty and we start a journey to home, so I give them a little bit, simple topic, and I ask them to talk on that. Sometime I give the movie name, or sometime whatever they want to speak. So like this, it's been 3 years, and now at least they are able to speak and they are encounter to anyone. Now they have the good confidence. And when my
Yes,
elder
yes.
son, he also made video with me. So like this, every parents, they cannot do like this, because we know English and we are in touch with the English. That's why we are able to do that thing. Otherwise, many parents, they are not able to speak English, or they even though they are not literate,
Not
So
all.
that time they have the problem,
Yeah,
and they
those
are paying
people.
good
Yeah.
fees, because in my area that is very standard school. And I searched many schools, and then I decided to admit in that school. So the fees also is very high than other school, so every parents expect that.
Right, right.
We-
But environment is good. Schools actually provided only the curriculum things like scholastic or non-scholastic development, right? But they are less attentive regarding communication skills, I would say, because in this is the same problem in my kids also scenarios. Like I am also facing continuously this problem because he's not even when he is right now 7 years old, and now he's coming in first standard. So I am very nexus that ki communication skills I have to be develop in him because he is in a child. He is a very toddler stage right now, right? And whenever his standard is increasing day by day or every year, so English is very necessary. So
yeah, when
I
he
have to
grown up.
always pushing him write down 4 or 5 sentences on any kind of picture composition you do, so that you can enhance your knowledge in English and it and practicing in English also. At least mouth like a mouth muscles are also ready
Yes,
for speaking, because if we push out of suddenly that you have to speak out by hook or by crook, so children becomes panic most of the time. But gradually, slowly, or every day, and it makes a routine. You have to fix a routine
yes,
with your children, that you have to
definitely.
make them ready for mentally, or like a interesting thing like compositions, like something else, like whenever you go outside for the with your children, so you can watch like this is a tree, and tree what kind of things a tree gives us. So he always make them 1 or 2 sentences on your own language, so I becomes very happy. So
This is
yeah, parents is the first actually first
educator. Yeah,
environment and
first,
first tutor
yeah,
for their children, right?
yeah, first
And
tutor, first educator.
schools only a support system, actually I can say. Schools and institution are only support system for us. But
Definitely.
on the other hand, I would, if I talk about myself, I am also from Hindi medium and from government school. I have passed out and my whole education from Hindi medium. I am facing so many problems and still I am facing, but no worries. Like consistency matters a lot in this language, right? And I always trying my best to maintain my consistency on my YouTube channel also and in my school's arts also. So tell me
Yeah,
something about your YouTube channel. Who motivates you for learning
you
this
won't believe.
language?
You won't believe my elder son. He suggested me to, create the channel,
Okay.
because I talked with him many times, sometime at home also. So he suggested me, Papa, now you can deliver your content or on YouTube, because now kids are very intelligent. They are very smart.
Your
So
elder
because
son is in which standard?
he is in eighth class
He is in eighth
now,
class.
he is promoting for ninth. He has just completed eighth class now,
Okay, okay.
and yeah.
So he
So he
always,
he's a,
yeah, pushed you.
yeah. Yeah, he pushed me, and I next day I created my channel, but one problem, persists for me, because I don't have much time, free. I don't have spare more time, so that's why I was decided what content I have to upload on my YouTube channel. So then I went through some channels, and then I got idea. Conversational, videos is very good, and we don't find new content, and that headache is not there.
Yeah.
So I
But at
decided
least you
to
tried,
upload
na.
the.
This is good. You tried at least, because in your busy schedule, after everyone is busy in this world, but after you want to take out some time from your communication skills. So this is good.
Because it helps me to improve my business also.
Yeah.
I visited sometime to the offices, to companies, and some schools, good schools, are also my clients. And last time, last year, I visited one school that is situated nearby Ames, Safdarjung Enclave, that is area code. And the school name is Ambience Public School. I shocked that time when I entered in the school. The environment is very good. Even the gatekeeper, he asked me to sign in English. You have to sign over here in this register, then you will get the entry.
Okay.
Like I shocked, oh my God, what an environment here. And then I entered in the school. I talked with with receptionist, and she gave me. And then I asked them, I have to, and I have fixed appointment with the principal. Then she asked me to wait there. And when I started talking to the principal, that time also I shocked because she was talking in British accent. Oh my
Okay.
God.
Different
You know,
accent you
yeah,
was facing at that
yeah.
time.
I showed my samples because she wants some samples from my side. I carried that sample and I
Okay.
show my samples, and then they decided to they gave me one order of cap, 500 caps order. They gave me that time. It was confirmed. But next time, she actually impressed me. She she told me many vendors came and they were not able to speak in English. You are the only one who talked in English. That's why she gave me the order. And that
Okay.
in this manner it helps me a lot. That's why I'm
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
English is
Right. In your
good.
profession also definitely, and your profession become increasing one step ahead. If you talk in
Yeah,
English to anybody else, they astonished at that time because less people are facing English to English conversation because some people are hesitated. How can I
definitely.
talk to in English in front of others? Because people think that he's like a flaunt, he's flaunting your English, but some
Yeah,
people are natural understand that nowadays this language has become very important for us, for every
yeah,
people, right?
you're right. Because my younger son, he is not ready to talk outside. He all the time he says, Papa, it looks like we are showing off in front of the people. We know English. I I make him understand many times, but it's not like that. We are just doing practice. That it nothing more than that. But he
And
is not ready.
people look sophisticated person also if we are using English words and English communication to each other. People thinks that he or she is a sophisticated person, right? Because education means not always we speak in our mother tongue. No, education teaches us a lot of lessons in our life, right? If we see any person, they are they are very good in English, they are very good speaker, but on the other hand if we see ourselves, we are not good in communication. Why? Because we this is our mistake, because we realize that we are like a flaunt the people. No, it is not flaunting, it is natural, because English is becomes a global language, and it is very essential, right?
Definitely, definitely, yeah.
So
And
one
it's
minute, there is
really
any important call. 1 minute, please wait.
definitely
Yeah.
you take care. Hello,
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Actually,
Yeah.
I also got call from.
Okay, okay. So there are some questions, one or two questions, which I am want to ask
Mhm.
you.
Yeah,
Can
definitely. Go
yeah.
ahead.
Okay, so my first question is that if you are going anywhere and like a picnic spot and where you met you would you would meet one or two foreigners like native
Mhm.
speakers. So
Mhm.
what kind of kind of language you used in front of them as a Indian, you are an Indian and you wants to speak in
Wait,
English in front of them.
wait for 1 sec. Wait for
Oh,
1 sec. I'm getting
oh,
call again. Hello.
hello. Yes, hello. Hello.
Actually, one of guy is coming and he's he confused to get the address, my location. I
Okay.
don't know. Again and again, he is calling me.
There is only 10 or 15 minutes, I think 10 minutes are there, no?
Yes, yes, yes. No
Hardly, yeah.
problem.
So tell me
Mm.
something if you are meet with foreigners or native speakers, so how do you talk to with them? And how do you describe a picnic spot? Like you would go to Taj Mahal and how could you describe the beauty of Taj in front of them? Like they are foreigners.
Yeah,
So tell me
definitely.
some.
I'll talk in English with them because
Yes, yes.
first of all,
You have to
I'll
talk
start
in
my.
English. In from
Mhm,
your introduction, then you first introduce yourself in front of foreigners, and
mhm.
if they start to talk with you in a first you break the ice according to you, and after
Wait,
that you start.
again, I could call. Wait. Hello.
To go.